Hello, hello. Happy Monday morning. Can you believe it is the last week of digital learning? I know I am so excited that you guys are this much closer to being first graders. So today we're going to do a little bit of addition practice, and then I have a fun project for you guys to do to practice your addition today. So our activity today is called How Many Birds Are in the Tree? So we're going to roll these two dice. We're going to move the birds, and then we're going to practice that counting on strategy to count how many birds are in the tree. So if we have this colorful bird and this red bird, and we are putting them together, are we adding or subtracting? Remember, addition is put together, subtraction is take apart. Which one are we doing? That's right, we're going to add today. We're practicing our addition. So let's roll together. Ready? 3, 2, 1, roll. And let's do this other side. Ready? 3, 2, 1, roll. All right, let's move them. We have one colorful bird in the tree and 3 red birds. 1, 2, 3. So let's use that counting on strategy. Remember, we don't have to count all the birds because we know that we started with one colorful bird. So let's just count on from that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. How many birds do we have? We have 4 birds. Great job, boys and girls. All right, I've reset it. Let's practice again. Let's roll these dice. Ready? 3, 2, 1, roll it. Ooh, what number is that? A 4. All right, let's roll this other one. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, roll it. And a 5. Okay, can you help me move our 4 birds over? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now let's move our 5 red birds over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wonder how many birds are in the tree. Let's use our counting on strategy since there are so many birds. Remember, how many colorful birds did we have? That's right, we had 4. So let's start with 4 and then count on. We have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 birds. Can you use your finger? Let's draw a 9 in the air. If you have a pencil, I want you to draw it on your paper. If not, let's draw it in the air. We have 9 birds all together in the tree. Let's try one more together and then I'll explain our activity for the day. All right, help me roll this dice. Get that finger ready. Let's touch it. 3, 2, 1, roll. Ooh, 2 colorful birds this time. Let's roll our other dice. Get your finger ready. 3, 2, 1, roll it. And 6 over here. So let's move our 2 colorful birds. Help me count it. 1, 2. Now let's move our 6 red birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome job, boys and girls. Let's use that counting on strategy again. Remember, how many colorful birds did we have? That's right, we had 2. So let's start with 2 and count on. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 all together. Get that finger ready. Let's practice writing that 8. Awesome job. How many birds are in the tree? There are 8 in the tree. Now let's look at today's activity. For this activity, you're going to need a piece of paper and some paint if you have it. If not, some crayons, some markers or colored pencils, or even just a regular pencil would work. So what we're going to do is you guys are going to make some rain clouds on your paper. You're going to do 10 rain clouds. And inside each rain cloud, you're going to write a math problem. Right here under directions number 1, those are the math problems I want you to do. And underneath that, I want you to put the raindrops so we know exactly how much they are. So let's look at this problem right here under the number 2. We have 3 plus 1. 3 and 1 makes, well, if I do 3 raindrops, let's move it over here then. 3 raindrops and 1 raindrop. How many raindrops is that all together, boys and girls? That's right, that's 4 raindrops. Now you can put those raindrops, any way you want. They don't have to be perfectly lined up. So under the cloud, we're going to put the number of raindrops to match the problem. So you guys, again, you can draw it, you can paint it, you can even go outside and use sidewalk chalk if it's a beautiful day outside today. I want you practicing these addition problems and coming up with the answer. All right, boys and girls, have an awesome Monday. Tomorrow we have one more math activity for the week, and then you guys are that much closer to being first graders. Love you.